Hazrat Miqdad bin Aswad radiyallahu anhu states that he heard Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam say, "On the resurrection day, the sun will be drawn near the creatures that a distance of only 1 mile will be left from them." Sulaim bin Amir says, "By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I do not know what does he mean by saying a mile, whether it is the mile which is a unit for measuring distance or it is an instrument needle with which collyrium is applied to the eye. The people will be in perspiration as per their deeds. Some of them will be in perspiration up to their ankles, some of them up to their knees, some of them up to their waists, and some of them will have a bridle of perspiration in their mouth. The sweat will even cover their mouths." Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon pointed towards his mouth with his hand. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 7135.